Hey guys, Casey Lemon here, TaxAllAcademy.com, and today we're talking about bid rigging. The truth is, I was going to do a quick tip or a video like that on it, but bid rigging, this subject matter is so important, I did not want to be brief, and I wanted to make sure you understood the importance of understanding what bid rigging is and how it impacts you. Bid rigging is anytime you attempt to eliminate, or attempt to reduce the competition in an auction setting. We're talking about bank auctions, and of course for us, we're talking about tax foreclosure auctions. When you do this, you artificially lower the price that that property is going to sell for, and essentially you're taking money from the government. Otherwise, it would have sold for more money, the government would have had more money, all that good stuff. Bid rigging, it's illegal. It's illegal in every local law, every state law, and it's illegal according to federal law. And the FTC and the Department of Justice has recently cracked down very heavily, as they should, on bid rigging. So what exactly is it? Again, it's anytime you attempt to reduce the competition at an auction. Here's a few examples. Let's say you and a friend come to some sort of negotiation and he agrees not to bid on a piece of property, so you can bid on it. Or how about you can only buy properties in one area and your friend will only buy properties in another area? Or how about a situation where the friend will only agree to bid this amount? If you want to pay more than that, you can pay more than that. Anytime they limit your bid amount, anytime you try to eliminate or reduce the competition, you're bid rigging. I've even seen situations where they're so complex where nobody will bid on a piece of property except for one person. That way eliminates all the rest of the competition. And then from there, they'll go and resell that property and kind of split the profits up however they want to work it. Guys, anytime you attempt to go around the auction setting, you're bid rigging. You're violating federal law and you should be sentenced to jail. And the truth is, if you're caught, you will be. I just read an article, as a matter of fact, somebody got 2 years for having some sort of bid rigging scheme. Not only did they get 2 years, they had a $1.3 million fine. So anytime you make any effort whatsoever to reduce the competition at a tax sale auction, you're bid rigging. Now you might get away with it once or twice or 3 times, but the truth is it's eventually going to catch up to you. And the fact of the matter is, even if you attempt it one time and you get caught that one time, you're likely to face severe penalties. This is something that the DOJ and FTC do not mess around with, guys. So I'm going to be very, very stern here and give you a very, very stern warning. Do not attempt to rig any sort of bids. The best piece of advice that I have for you is when it comes to your bid amount, keep your mouth shut. Do not talk to anybody else about how much you're willing to pay for a piece of property, and don't ask them how much they're willing to pay for a piece of property, because you don't want anybody to accuse you of some sort of collusion, price fixing, antitrust stuff, all that good stuff, because the deal is they can hit you hard. The government will come after you hard. So again, when it comes to your bid amount or other people's bid amounts, keep your mouth shut. That's all I've got for today, folks. Sorry for the very stern video, but I wanted to tell you just how important this subject is, and I'm trying to keep you out of jail. That's it, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.